How to log into Gmail without your password using just your backup email. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can log into Gmail using your backup email and without your password. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. In order to log into Gmail without password using one of your backup emails that you have provided, let us explore the options. So first go to Gmail app or gmail.com and just try to type in your email address over here. So once you've typed in your particular email address, we'll just tap on the next option. Normally, we would have to just go ahead and then enter our password, but maybe you don't want to use your password for some reason, or maybe you don't remember it. So what we're going to do is tap on this option that says try another way. And when we do that, it says enter your password, use your passkey. If you have a passkey, use that, or again tap on try another way. So when I tap on the try another way, you can see confirm the phone number that you provided in your security settings ending on this particular number. You can actually do that and enter the number, or if you still want to try another way where you want to have your backup email provided, you can do that and type in another number where you can see different numbers that I've added. So you can use one of these methods. Otherwise, what you can do is you can go ahead and then try to use your phone number. If you've not added a backup email, then after that, you can reset your password using your phone number without having to enter your current password. Bear in mind that Gmail or Google might not give you permission all the time to use your backup email to log in. You can, however, try to reset your password if you don't remember your current password. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.